Hi guys, welcome to today's video, and if it's your first time here on my channel, welcome. Thanks for clicking on today's video. My name is Rachel, and here on this channel we do all kinds of beauty first impressions, reviews, and makeup tutorials. So that's exactly what we're going to be doing today. We have a new product launch from Nabla Cosmetics. If you haven't heard of Nabla, don't be worried. They are relatively new to me as well. They are an Italian indie brand that I discovered through Instagram when transitioning a lot of my beauty products to be cruelty-free and vegan. So that is so amazing. Nabla Cosmetics is PETA certified as cruelty-free, and the majority of their products are also vegan as well, with the exception of a few that contain some beeswax. So for today's video, this is a really exciting one. They just recently launched a new Body Glow Oil Gel Hybrid and Body Kabuki brush as well to use with it. So really excited about this new launch, just in time for summer. I'm not familiar with too many body oils, but I'm really excited to try out this one. We're also going to take the camera outside to see how the Body Glow Oil looks, not only on the chest in the studio lighting, but how it looks in direct sunlight to really get an idea of how it shimmers outside, whether you're wearing it to the beach or the pool or wherever, maybe just lounging out in the backyard due to the current pandemic. But either way, if you want to see how the product looks on the skin in both studio and outside lighting and hear my full first impressions, thoughts, and review at the end, just stay tuned guys, we're gonna get straight into it. So first, let's take a peek at this body oil gel. Now they did launch two shades. I got the lighter of the two in the shade Sugar Babe, which from what I read online is supposed to be a rose gold. So they do have a deeper, darker version. So thanks Nabla for being an inclusive brand. That's what we need these days, okay? So here we have it. We have the Body Glow Oil Gel. I think the packaging is absolutely stunning. It looks very high-end, very luxurious, and it's very weighted as well. I think this is a glass bottle. So with the body oil gel, you do get 2.8 fluid ounces, a nice good amount of product in here. And I love the fact that they chose to really get creative with the packaging and have this really pretty pink exterior. So it does come with a pump, and let's just go ahead and squeeze out some and see. Oh yeah, nice. Usually you have to pump at least 2 or 3 times to get the product to come out. It is a very lightweight oil/gel formula, and it's really buffing and blending into my hand really seamlessly, and I love that immediate effect it has on the skin. It looks very wet, very radiant, and glowy. So it looks really promising, guys. I'm just gonna rub it into my hands, and then we'll use it on our chest, on our shoulders, and all over the arms as well. But first, I'm just gonna put up my hair because it is super hot in this filming room, and outside it's in the 90s here in Sacramento. So just really quickly, I'm gonna put my hair up in this cute little scrunchie. This came as part of my e.l.f. Cosmetics purchase for the Retro Paradise collection. So if you haven't seen that video and you're interested, you can click the link up here in the corner and it'll take you to that video. This was a part of that collection, but just really quickly, I'm gonna put my hair up and I'll be right back and we can get to the swatching. Okay, there we go guys. We have our hair back out of the way so it's not gonna get stuck to the chest. Some body glow oils are sticky. They leave a tacky residue on the skin. So just in case, got the hair up. Let's go ahead and break out the body brush. This is a synthetic fiber kabuki style brush. So we have some vegan bristles in here. I absolutely love the packaging of this body brush. It has the Nabla logo on the front and then body brush printed on the back. I do not already own Nabla Cosmetics brushes. They do offer some for the face and eyes on their website. So this is a first impression of any Nabla brushes, but already the synthetic fibers are incredibly soft and they feel so luxurious. So I'm really excited to see how this pairs up with the Body Glow Oil Gel. Let's just go ahead and pump some here on the brush. I'll do about maybe just 2 pumps. You get a fair amount with each pump. Let's just go straight in on the chest and see how we like this. It does have a beautiful scent. It's not quite tropical or fruity, and it's not overpowering either. So I don't think it's gonna linger on the skin too much, really. It's just a nice, subtle scent. So far, I'm really loving the finish of this body oil. It looks very reflective, yet not glittery, not chunky whatsoever. And it's giving me that wet look that's totally on trend for summer. So I'm gonna continue to bring it over top of my collarbones and even on my shoulders a little bit. This time I'm just gonna put it straight on my shoulder. It looks so beautiful. I love how it's capturing the light. Here is the body oil gel and here is no gel. All right, guys, that is that for this body glow oil all over the chest and shoulders. How is it looking on camera? Let me know in the comments down below, guys. Yeah, I'm loving this product so far. Let's go ahead and take the camera outside and see how it looks in the natural direct sunlight. Okay guys, so I'm outside now in my backyard. It's about 6 p.m., 6:30 p.m. and despite that, it's still about 94 degrees here in Sacramento, but luckily we still have some daylight left and we have a chance to see how this body oil looks in direct sunlight as well. So here we are in the shade under the tree, and you can catch a little bit of that glimmer, a little bit of that light that's bouncing back on my chest, collarbones, and shoulder. But let's take it into the direct sunlight. I'm gonna start sweating here in a second. I already am, but my hair is gonna start sticking to my back. It's okay though. We gotta see how this looks in direct sunlight. So let's take her out and see. Oh yeah, there we go. I love direct sunlight. That is the biggest perk of having a backyard, you guys. But oh yeah, look at that glow, look at that beam. It looks so wet and reflective. It looks like I've been sweating all day in the best possible way. Catch that shoulder highlight. But yeah, definitely think the sunlight complements this product more so than the studio light. But let me know in the comments down below, guys, what you think. And is this the type of product that you would rock in the summertime? I'm still on the fence about body glow oils, mainly because they tend to leave a sticky, tacky residue on the skin. They don't always dry. So this one hasn't been on my skin too long. I'm gonna give it another few minutes to fully dry, and then we'll talk about it back inside in the studio. Okay guys, we are back in the studio now, back inside out of that hot blistering sun. Like I said, it was about 94 degrees and I started sweating, so had to take a mini cool down and let the sweat dissipate. But now we're back in the studio and I want to give you my final thoughts and review on this Nabla Body Glow Oil Gel Hybrid. So as you could see outside, it was much more intense, much more vibrant, and gave off that wet, glossy summer look to the skin. Even though it has been at least 20 minutes since we were outside and since we originally applied the oil, it didn't fully dry down on my skin. It still has a bit of tackiness to it, and I noticed that as the wind was blowing, my hair kept getting stuck to my chest and my shoulders. So I'm not gonna lie, that was a little bit of a turn off for me. I was hoping that this was gonna dry down fully. But that being said, I think it's a beautiful product to wear, especially like I said, for those date nights when you want to amp up your shoulders, your chest, and even your legs to just give your body some more glow and emphasis on those occasions. Now, talking about body oils, I want to briefly mention the one I reviewed in my last video that's part of the e.l.f. Retro Paradise collection. This is a limited edition collection for the summertime, but as you guys can see, the products look very, very similar in the packaging, and I believe you get a really similar amount as well. Let's see here. With the Nabla, you get 2.81 fluid ounces, and with the e.l.f. one, you get about 2.71 fluid ounces. So very similar amount of product, and the formulas are similar as well. Again, the e.l.f. Retro Paradise one, it doesn't dry completely either, but the formula is a little bit different. So I want to show you guys the comparison between the two formulas. So here is the e.l.f. one here. As you can see, the actual oil itself has a lot more pigment and coverage to it. So when you blend it into the skin, it does kind of cover up some of the pigmentation. Like here I have a scratch, so it does cover it up a little bit. But then the Nabla one, again, it's more of a gel formula and it has more gold, rose gold reflex to it. So they are similar yet very different products. And I think if you are new to body glow oils like I am, maybe start out with the e.l.f. one, because this one I think was about $12. So it's more affordable, and they also sell a kabuki style brush with it as well to really buff it into the skin. So if you're new to body oils, if you're on the fence about picking this one up because it kind of is like the more expensive, higher end sister to the e.l.f. one, maybe give the e.l.f. one a chance first and then decide if you want to pick this bad boy up, because this is a permanent installment, a permanent part of Nabla's collection now on their website. But this one is limited edition. So if you're on the fence about trying a body glow oil, try the e.l.f. one first. I happen to really like it a lot. It also has a really great tropical scent to it. So perfect again for the summer months. And I don't know if you guys can see, I don't think you can tell because I really shook this up a lot, but honestly, you guys, I've used half of this since I did my review. I've just been bathing in it, essentially putting it all over my chest, my shoulders, arms, and legs. So that being said, I'll leave it up to you if you guys want to pick up this Nabla Body Glow Oil. I think it's a beautiful product. I'm definitely going to use it in the summer months along with the Kabuki brush. The Kabuki brush is gorgeous as well, very soft synthetic bristles. Again, no animal cruelty with this one here, and it pairs up perfectly with the body glow oil to really distribute it well without any streaks. If you want to pick up these products, I'll put up a link in the description down below. Again, Nabla is relatively new to me, but all of their products are PETA certified, cruelty-free, so that gets a huge thumbs up. I have some other eyeshadow palettes and eye products from Nabla Cosmetics that I use to create today's eye looks. So also guys, if you want to see how to recreate today's eye look, hop on over to my Instagram. I did a mini tutorial version of the look there, so definitely follow me on Instagram if you aren't already. I do other types of makeup looks there as well. But that being said, I hope you enjoyed today's demo, first impressions, and review of the new Nabla Body Glow Oil Gel and Kabuki brush. If you guys liked today's video, give it a big thumbs up for me, as well as leaving your comments in the comment section down below. I always love engaging with you guys there. I love getting your feedback and video suggestions as to what I should film in the future here on my channel as well. If you liked today's video and you aren't already, definitely hit that subscribe button for more videos to come in the future, whether it be reviews, tutorials, first impressions, things of that nature. Definitely subscribe for more, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye guys!